Hi, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. In this video, I shall showcase how you can create interesting visuals and slides from Napkin AI. Now, what this tool typically does is that it creates very beautiful AI images. Uh, so, I'll probably go and since my last two videos, I have showcased how to create like beautiful presentation in a matter of a few minutes rather than spending hours on it. So I'll first go and click on this slide. Now this is still in the beta version and I'll paste the prompt, create a SWOT matrix for a fintech company entering India's employee benefits market. Let's see what I get. Now it asks questions and like this is where the best part is. The more input or the more specific our prompt is, the more enhanced and more attractive the output will be like from AI. Now I want to probably pitch it like to the new hires or partners. This is what analysis. So I'll select high level overflow. So what I have observed in Napkin is that for presentation now, like maybe it is still in the beta mode, so it takes time in terms of generation. When it is actually when it will be launched full fledged, it will be like much faster. Now run this with outline, add a slide competitor. So this is basically the index what they have given. I'll click on build it. Okay. Now, if you compare this UI and the journey and the time taken to create a presentation, so I would be comparing between Copilot 365 and Gamma. So it takes a much longer time. Now, see, it is actually showcasing with a template how I want to basically start. So since it's an investor and a boardroom deck, I'll probably keep it select a template of executive style. So it takes like quite some time in terms of generating output. But I pretty much like the slides which were generated from this. Okay. Now as I said, it is in the beta version, so maybe in the coming like weeks we can see the full-fledged version. But like this is quite helpful. The other part of the AI napkin, what I wanted to show you is how you can also create like visuals from this. Now, say suppose you have a document. Now it can be a product document, it can be like any generic document, an analysis document which you have worked upon, and you probably want to create presentation out of it. So that part also I will cover. Now see how this actually works and operates. So it is showing me these many options. Okay, how I want the look and feel like to be, and the moment I click, it will move on to the second slide. Right. So this way, it is giving me a plethora of options to pick and choose, right? So this option or this thing is not there in Gamma or Microsoft like 365 Copilot when I had used it. See. So you can pick up and choose as you go, and you can obviously you can tweak and modify it. Getting challenges, you can keep on adding it and modifying it. So when we use the visual version also, so then I'll show you how like useful or how easy it is like when you want to create visual charts and some diagrams which takes a lot of time if we're like creating it manually, like sometimes also hours. So that way it can be like refined. See, if I want to change again, I like this one like more. Okay, now once I'm done, it acts that is ready. What do you like to do next? Try a different brand style, edit slide, present the deck, export the deck, add visual effects. Okay. So I'll probably click on present the deck. So the deck is ready and up for like for the presentation. I hope this was useful. Now let me cover the other option in another video. I think this is in the beta mode, so it is asking for your feedback. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.